What's happening, YouTube? Well, I got something interesting to do today. We're SP Squared Racing, which is Sneed Payday Squared. We get to do a market survey on a new aircraft from Cubcrafters. Okay, this is the new market survey airplane from Cubcrafters. Nothing looks real different, does it? How about this? How about this setup right here? That looks a little weird, doesn't it? At Cubcrafters actually designed the trailing link suspension on the F-18 Super Hornet. I think it was the Super Hornet, maybe it was the Hornet, but anyway, he has also designed this, and I'll tell you what, this is a beefy nose wheel structure. So this is a Lycoming 393i injected motor. Nice panel in this airplane. Obviously, constant speed prop, and super nice cush back seat here. I think the most interesting thing about these two airplanes, I've got the tail wheel version behind me, nose wheel version here. What I think one of the coolest things is this can be easily converted into a tail wheel or nose wheel. This aircraft with the nose wheel will actually take off shorter than this aircraft, and the nose wheel aircraft will also land shorter. Allergy season in Utah. All right, I just flew the nose wheel NX Cub from Cubcrafters, and it is fun. It is a fun airplane to fly. Really fast, really just fun, I think is my first word for it. But anyway, we're gonna get on in this tail wheel X-Cub here. Mark's gonna get in the nose wheel, and we're gonna go fly again.
Spanish traffic, flight of 2 Cubs, take 30. Traffic, flight box turning left base 30, touching nose command.
Another thing that's cool about that plane that we haven't talked about is Hartzell is making a 3-bladed prop for that plane, so a lot better prop clearance. Mark's wife, Susie, recently got her tail wheel endorsement, but she's a new tail wheel pilot, so let's see how she likes the nose wheel NX Cub. Let's go see what she thinks. Okay, you're probably the first female to fly this thing.
Hey.
I think that's a fact. I am
think
probably like the 8th person on the planet to ever fly it.
Yeah.
I think I'm wearing the wrong hat.
Vision jet.
Whoops.
This one's cheaper.
Just a little bit.
So what'd you think?
It's so awesome.
Yeah.
It flies really slow. compared to other tricycle gear airplanes that we've had, this is awesome.
Flies really slow and it flies really fast.
Yeah, it is very responsive on the throttle. You hit the throttle and you're ready to go.
You guys didn't really let it go wide open in cruise, did you?
No, we just stayed in
flew
the pattern.
It does 150 miles an hour.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And it goes super slow.
Yep.
I mean, I got up in what, less than 1,000 feet?
Now you've got your tail wheel and you've been flying my Carbon Cub. I mean, what do you think?
This doesn't nose over. Like, I'm not afraid to push on the brakes.
Yeah, you can
There's
get on
no
the brakes like as hard as you want.
There's no fear.
Wait, you already flew it. You're getting it back in again?
Yeah. It's like somebody tells me to go fly an airplane, man, I listen. Good day of flying the new Cub from Cubcrafters. I think he's back there behind me somewhere. Anyway, we're gonna stick him in my hangar for the night and go get some Mexican food. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.